up over there cooking. She has some dung, like cow dung and whatever, and she was making it ready for the kids. And she goes, I have some bread, but you know, it's not ready, it's gonna take them. Just take it out, he goes, just give it to me. Give some to me, you know. She was ashamed, so she goes, I can't, it's not ready, you know. He goes, just take it out, it's okay. So she takes it out, cuts a piece, and before she knows it, it's like a good loaf with nice jam in there. You know. He's happy and gives it to him, gives to the kids and whatever. The next day she wakes up, it's early morning, looks, he's gone, goes out to see if he's anywhere around, you know, and she sees these two holes. So the two rich people were like, you have